Hello guys, so recently I had put up this story on my Instagram and I had asked you guys if you guys know what this product is, and to my surprise so many of you guys knew what these are. So that's a really nice thing, but a majority of you didn't know what these are. So this video is for both of you guys. A lot of you guys want a demo of the product, if it is good or not, and for those of you who didn't know what this product is, this is gonna be really interesting for you to know. So basically these are actually hair curlers, and I had seen these curlers like 1 year back on some YouTube channel, and they were using these to curl their hair, and the curls were like really pretty and very crisp, and it was really nice. So I really wanted to try these, but us time pe these things were not available in India. I could only find it at, I think, AliExpress and maybe on some international sites. But on Amazon these things were available in spiral form. So these are like wave forms, but the other form of this thing is spiral curls. So you can get spiral sort of curls from those formers, and wo Amazon mein available tha. But I didn't want to use that. I wanted to use these wavy formers. So मैंने बहुत ढूंढा बट कहीं मिला नहीं. Then last year when I was like having a campaign with Forever 21, I found these at their store, and let me show you. So the ones available at Forever 21, iska length is really small. So when I was at Forever 21 store, my hair was like really short, okay, and I thought these lengths would fit my hair at that time, but it was really short for my short hair as well. So this is the difference between the two wave formers in the size. And ये wave formers अलग अलग size में आता है, so you can actually pick the one which you think will be correct for your hair length. But I wanted to be on the safer side, and I think I bought the longest one, I think, because even if my hair like grows long, because I am right now on my way to grow my hair really long, so उस टाइम पे भी these things should work on my hair. So with that thought process I had bought, but ये जो था it was complete fail. And also इसमें सिर्फ I think 10 pieces आता है, okay, 10 wave formers. This one is I think 28 pieces. So 28 pieces is I think will be like fine for my hair, because ये जो basically what you have to do is इसमें you have to insert your hair. Okay, I'll show you the demo, but इसमें बहुत thin straps of hair can be put. तो ज़्यादा आप लंबा या फिर ब्रॉड स्ट्रैप्स ऑफ हेयर नहीं ले सकते हो. So 10 strips of these wave formers was a complete waste for me. So this box which I got from Forever 21, this was completely useless for me, and कुछ भी काम नहीं आया मुझे. And finally I found this on Amazon, thankfully, the one which I was looking for. I'm going to show you guys if these actually work, and मैंने ये बिल्कुल भी try नहीं किया है एक बार भी. I've only seen YouTube videos कैसे कैसे करते हैं, and what is the process and everything. So this is like my first try on video of these wave formers. I just hope it works. So I think let's just dive into the video.
So the things that we will need is a spray bottle with water and some जुगाड़ू घर का clutch to hold our hair. So I'm going to divide my hair in 2 sections, and सबसे जो नीचे वाला part है मेरे hair का, I'm going to leave that to use it for curling. Yeah, this is how I'm using मेरा घर का clutch to keep my hair. Now this wave former comes with these 3 sticks, जो कि basically is the frame जिससे आप अपना वेव फॉर्मर्स अपने हेयर में लगाओगे. तो इस तरह से आप इसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. एंड जो वेव फॉर्मर्स है उसे आपको इसमें बहुत इजीली इंसर्ट करना है, क्योंकि होल बना हुआ है तो ये स्टिक बहुत इजीली उस वेव फॉर्मर में चला जाएगा. तो ये बन गया हमारा फ्रेम जो हमें यूज़ करना है अपने हेयर में लगाने के लिए. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है कि अपने हेयर को जो वाटर स्प्रे बॉटल लिया है आपने, उससे ऑब्वियसली वाटर स्प्रे कर देना है, क्योंकि ये वेव फॉर्मर्स वेट हेयर में वर्क करता है ज़्यादा अच्छे से. उसके बाद आपको अपने हेयर को सेक्शन वाइज डिवाइड कर लेना है. जितना थिन आप सेक्शन ले सकते हो, पॉसिबल है जितना आपके लिए, आप उतना थिन सेक्शन लो. और फिर जो हुक वाला शेप है उसमें आपको उस सेक्शन ऑफ हेयर जिसमें आप अपना ये वेव फॉर्मर इंसर्ट करने वाले हो उसको बेसिकली हुक कर देना है, जैसे कि मैं वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ। और फिर क्या करना है कि जो रॉड है, ब्लू कलर का जो रॉड आपको दिख रहा है वीडियो में, उसे मुझे पुल कर देना है। बट क्योंकि ये मेरा फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट था, आप देख ही सकते हो कि कितना ज़्यादा मेरे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट हो रहा था। और आगे चल के आपको और भी मेरा अटैम्प्ट दिखेगा जिसमें थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो रहा है मुझे लगाने के लिए। वो इसलिए हुआ था क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही थिक स्ट्रैंड ले लिया था। पर जैसा कि देखा जाए काफ़ी स्मॉल स्ट्रैंड था वो हेयर का, बट क्योंकि ये वेव फॉर्मर्स बहुत ही थिन स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ हेयर लेता है तो ये उसके लिए भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा थिक था। तो जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हो, फाइनली ये वेव फॉर्मर मेरे हेयर में चला गया है। तो काफ़ी सिंपल प्रोसेस है। आपका जो हुक वाला शेप है वो आपको अपने हेयर स्ट्रैंड में अटकाना है एंड एक हाथ से अपने वो हेयर स्ट्रैंड को होल्ड करना है एंड धीरे धीरे जो रॉड है, ब्लू कलर का रॉड, उसे नीचे से पुल कर देना है। थोड़ा सा फ्रेम से बाहर हो रहा है ये जो पुलिंग पार्ट है, बट बेसिकली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग। बट अगर आप बहुत थिक स्ट्रैंड ले रहे हो हेयर का तो वो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होगा आपके लिए उस वेव फॉर्मर्स से पास थ्रू करने में। ऑब्वियसली मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम था तो आई हैड टू फिगर इट आउट एंड थोड़ा सा मुझे टाइम लगा टू गेट द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ हेयर स्ट्रैंड एंड फाइनली वो हो गया एंड इट वाज लाइक अ रियली रियली स्मूथ प्रोसेस। सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज हुक एंड पुल द रॉड, दैट्स इट, इट्स दैट सिंपल। बट ऑब्वियसली एवरी टाइम आपको जो वेव फॉर्मर है उसको स्टिक में डालना होगा एंड देन यू हैव टू हुक योर हेयर एंड देन पुल आउट योर हेयर।
Okay guys, so I'm finally done. It was hell of a task, okay, and it took me forever. Maybe शायद ये मेरा first time था इसीलिए I had so much of trouble, but it is definitely a task and this is heavy. Okay, this is definitely heavy. I was actually planning to do my makeup after I have put on these curls and everything, but now I have a very huge doubt how I will manage to do my makeup with this mess with this huge hair. Okay, but hopefully I'll try, and I'm extremely hungry, so I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna eat something and come back here, and I'm gonna like unveil this in front of the camera. Obviously, one thing I need to tell you guys, इसमें जो कुछ straps of hair है, these are coming out like this. Okay, so if you have hair longer than mine, this length of wave formers is not gonna work for you. And also I'm now concerned कि मेरा hair जब और थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा, this is gonna again go to waste, like these Forever 21 pieces went to waste. So now I'm kind of confused what I should do, but I just hope the results are really really good after I pull this off. I obviously have to wait for my hair to get dry, क्योंकि मैंने पूरा wet किया था and it needs to be dry. It is quite wet अभी, so I'm gonna leave it like this, and hopefully it will get dried soon. My hair gets dried pretty quickly, so I hope that won't be a problem. And yeah, I do look funny, so I'm not gonna stay in front of the camera a lot longer now. I'll see you guys in a bit.
1 hour later.
So guys, I'm back. I am done with my makeup, as you guys can see. Fun fact, while I was doing my makeup and kind of relaxing, I searched Amazon and apparently these are the longest length of waveformers that's available. मतलब इससे लंबा waveformers अब तक Amazon में आया नहीं है. Whereas the YouTube videos that I had seen of creators outside India, they had like really long waveformers, short waveformers, and a lot of variations of waveformers, तो आई थिंक इंडिया में वो ज़रूर आ जाएगा बट थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. सो टिल देन दिस इज़ द ओनली लेंथ ऑफ वेव फॉर्मर दैट्स अवेलेबल. इवन इससे कोई शॉर्ट लेंथ भी अवेलेबल नहीं है एंड लॉन्ग लेंथ भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. एंड द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पीसेज that you can buy is 28. But ये भी मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा कम पड़ रहा था because last में I started taking a bit broader sections. So that was kind of messy, but I just somehow managed it. So this is it. And also mera hair length and hair volume is not a lot. I consider my hair to be on the thinner side. तो अगर आपका hair length and hair volume is a lot more than mine, you'll obviously have to buy 2 packs of these because मेरे लिए भी 28 of these waveformers कम पड़ रहा था. So you guys will obviously have to buy more. Now without any further ado, let's just check ये waves कितना अच्छा बना है. It is completely dry, so I just hope कि it looks really nice. So let me just quickly start removing just one. Okay, one at a time. Okay. Okay. I mean, what do you guys think? I think I have to definitely put a hairspray because मेरा जो hair quality है, it will go straight within like few minutes, and also cause of the humidity that's happening in Calcutta, काफ़ी जल्दी straight हो जाएगा. So let me just get my hairspray and we will, I think, remove all the waveformers. But talking about this one, I think it's pretty good. I mean, this was the kind of waves that I was going for, I wanted, and जैसा इसका shape है, that sort of curls ये पूरा बना है, so I can't really have any complaint. And I think अगर मैंने और थोड़ा thin section लिया होता तो it would have been a lot better. But we have to work with what we have, and yeah, that's the result. So I'm going to quickly remove all the waveformers and apply hairspray together and show you the end result. I hope you guys love it. I personally love it. But जितना effort लगा इस waveformers को लगाने में, the time that I spent, and it was legit an upper arm workout, okay? तो अगर you guys are up for such a workout and अगर आपके पास time है, then you should definitely go for these waveformers. Also, if you guys want to know I would try this again or not, that's kind of up for debate. Because अगर मेरे पास काफ़ी time है and I am up for doing an upper arm workout, then I would definitely go for these waveformers. But On the other hand, it is really time consuming and you have to be really careful of the length of the hair strand, because अगर आप ज़्यादा ले लेते हो then there's a lot of pulling and tugging, you know. And also the best thing about these wave formers is कि you know you get these amazing curls without any damage to the hair, क्योंकि कोई heat involve नहीं हो रहा है, कोई hair styling tools use नहीं हो रहा है, तो your hair is not really, you know, getting any damage from the styling tools. That is definitely a plus side, but it's a lot of hard work, you know. And एक wave former को you need to put it in the stick and then put it in your hair, so it's a lot of work. Okay, so if you guys are up for that, definitely go for this. Personally, you know, this is something अगर मेरे पास पूरा दिन भर है and I have to get ready एकदम आराम से, I would definitely go for it. But on a normal day, I would not go for it because it is extremely time consuming. So this was my review for the wave formers. If you guys want to buy these curlers, then you can shop from the link in my description. Also, जो spiral वाला wave former है, that is also available in that same link. You just need to choose the option whichever you guys want to buy. Also, if you guys don't want to buy 28 specs or these wave formers, lesser quantity is also available, but I don't think so it will work. So if you guys need something that will work for all over your hair, you will have to definitely go for more than 8. Or if your hair volume is like mine or thinner than mine, then 28 is just perfect for you. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.